But another big story that's coming in is that the CBSE has announced the class 12 results today, and this year's topper is Raksha Gopal from Amity International School, Noida, who scored 99.6% marks in her 12th board examinations. Raksha is the topper from the humanities stream. Bhumi Sawant from DAV Chandigarh is the science topper, whereas Aditya Jain from Bhavan Vidya Mandir, Chandigarh has bagged the first position in the commerce stream. The number of students scoring between 95 to 100% has also increased this year. This year, the number has risen from 9,351 to 10,091 students who've scored in this bracket. However, the pass percentage in the class 12th exam has fallen to 82% from 83.05% last year. The results can be checked on the following websites. It's results.nic.in, cbseresults.nic.in and cbse.nic.in. All right, for more on this, I'm joined by India Today correspondent Parveena Purkayashta, and she is with a topper, Aditya Jain. It's Parveena, first of all, what a day. I mean, number of students who've scored from 95% to 100% have increased, and Raksha Gopal is the topper this year from Noida.
Oh, well, absolutely. Archana, it reminds me of my days. I mean, I don't know why my tummy hurts more than these students. I have few stars of Delhi's Vasant Valley School. They might have not been, Raksha could be the topper, but they are not any less stars. I have the topper of Vasant Valley's school here. We'll hear it from her, then I telling that how does it feel and what does it take. So you...
Okay. I mean, obviously it feels quite amazing, and it's a result that even I didn't expect. So I knew that my exams went off well, but it's unbelievable. I'm still in shock.
So how was your past few months? Were you just into studies? How did the school help you? The teachers helped you? What were their roles?
So yeah, I mean, obviously I was working really hard, but it's not the only thing I was doing. I had my free time, and I also I was enjoying my time too. I went out with my friends even in the middle while preparing, and the school actually has helped a lot. So for the longest time I didn't have any tuitions or anything, especially for maths, and my teachers have been the people who have supported me throughout this entire thing.
Well, right, Archana, she scored 98%, and she says, studying is not all what she did, but that also takes to score these days, above 95. I have with me another topper of the school who scored 97%. If you could share a bit of your experience, and how does it feel finally when your hard work pays off and your school is so happy and proud about you?
I feel really good. And I feel that, many people had their expectations on me. So if that has paid off, then it really feels good. And apart from that, the school was very, very supportive throughout. Nobody ever said no to me, for a class that I've missed or for a topic that I needed, any doubt I had to clear. Nobody ever said no to me. So that way, school was very, very supportive and gave a lot of guidance.
So I have a male member here, among the girls. The girls kind of flare well here. How do you feel, and what are your plans now?
Well, first of all, I'm happy to represent my gender as the sole contributor from my school. But apart from that, I'm very happy that, the boards went over as well as they did. All the pressure surrounding the boards and all the expectation that all of us carry from our parents, from the teachers, from the school as a whole. It's great to be able to perform and to keep the school proud. And of course, the school we owe the school a lot in terms of what our result eventually turned out to be, because without them, none of this would be possible.
Before I wrap up, I'll quickly hear from these girls as to what is their plan, how will they celebrate it today? What are your plans? What will you celebrate today?
All right.
I don't know, we're just really happy, hoping to celebrate it with our family, because of course it's something that we...
All right, congratulations to all the toppers, and we also spoke to the topper, the CBSE topper this year, Raksha Gopal, who scored 99.6%. Let's listen into what she has to say.
99.6% आप क्या आए हैं, बहुत सारी बधाई उसके लिए। आप बताएंगे कि किस तरह से आपने इसके लिए मेहनत की?
जी, मेहनत तो बहुत की थी एकदम। इसमें टैक्टिक बस ये था कि एकदम कंसंट्रेशन से पढ़ो, एंड थैंकफुली पूरी स्कूल की वजह से, पेरेंट्स की वजह से सब कुछ अच्छा गया है। तो बस अपने आप को बस एकदम काम रखना पड़ा था। थोड़ा बीच बीच में से स्ट्रेस पॉइंट्स थे, बट देन अब मैंने मैनेज कर लिया थैंकफुली बिकॉज ऑफ एवरीवन एंड सपोर्ट की वजह से।
तो यही आपका टारगेट था कि पूरे देश में टॉप करना है?
जी नहीं, टारगेट ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं था, क्योंकि ये सब लक पे काफ़ी डिपेंड करता है। टारगेट ये था कि मैं अच्छे से करूँ, सबको प्राउड करना था, अपनी प्राउड बनाना था। मेरे टीचर्स थे जिनने इतनी मेहनत की थी, पेरेंट्स
हैं जिनने इतनी मेहनत की थी, चेयरपर्सन, प्रिंसिपल, सब ने, तो उन सब के लिए, और मैंने जो इतनी मेहनत की थी बस उसका एक कुछ अच्छा नतीजा होना था, तो बस टॉप कर लिया वो, तो बस अब एकदम एक साइड जैसे आ गया, तो बस दैट्स इट।
आपके पेरेंट्स को इसके लिए उम्मीदें थी कि आप टॉप करेंगी?
जो नहीं, ये ज़रूर भरोसा था कि मैं बहुत अच्छा करूँगी। टॉप का मैं जैसे बोल रही हूँ, ऐसे थोड़ा अनबिलीवेबल है कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे पूरा इंडिया के लेवल पे है, तो फर्स्ट आना काफ़ी बड़ी बात होती है, तो ऐसे थोड़ा हाँ डेफिनेट ऐसे कुछ अच्छा करने का ही था बस एक्सपेक्टेशंस।
मगर इसके लिए आपने क्या कैसी तैयारियां की थी, किस तरह से प्रिपरेशन की थी एग्जाम्स को लेकर कि आपने पूरे देश भर में टॉप कर दिया?
बस ओके, तो हर सब्जेक्ट को अच्छे से टाइम ले लेके एकदम डाउन्स किया करके आंसर सॉल्व किए मैंने, काफ़ी सारे लास्ट ईयर पेपर्स बहुत सारे सॉल्व किए, तो उनको वैसे ही प्रिपरेशन किया मैंने। और अगेन जैसे मैंने क्वालिटी पे फोकस किया, क्वांटिटी पे नहीं। जितना टाइम दे रही थी मैं उस पर फोकस नहीं कर रही थी, कैसे कर रही थी, और मेरे टीचर्स ने काफ़ी मदद की है हर डाउट को सॉल्व करके। जब भी मैं उनके पास गई उन्होंने मुझे बहुत मदद किया।
कई बच्चे हैं जो अब एग्ज़ाम में पीछे रह जाते हैं, जिनके कम मार्क्स आते हैं, उनसे आप क्या कहेंगे, किस तरह से प्रिपरेशन की जाए?
कि यहाँ पे ऐसे टॉप करके कुछ बहुत अलग फीलिंग नहीं है, हाँ खुशी बहुत होती है, बट ऐसा कुछ घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। इस मतलब अगेन पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ है, तो इसलिए ऐसे डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट हो जाएगा, सब कुछ पार हो जाएगा।
मगर अभी घर में कैसा माहौल है, आपके पेरेंट्स और सभी कैसा महसूस है?
सब एकदम खुशी से एकदम पागल हो गए हैं, एकदम झूम। सो अभी तो हम लोगों ने एक से बात भी नहीं की ठीक से, तभी बस अब देखते हैं।
ठीक है, आगे की क्या प्लानिंग रहेगी आपकी?
अभी मुझे पॉलिटिकल साइंस ऑनर्स करना है, अब जितना मेरा एम है अभी वो है पॉलिटिकल साइंस ऑनर्स, एंड मैं DU में अप्लाई कर रही हूँ। कुछ और कॉलेजेस में अप्लाई किया है, बट DU मेन एम है।
Alright, so congratulations to Raksha Gopal, and it's very rare that a person from arts is the CBSE topper, and she scored a whopping 99.6%. I'm also joined by another topper, Aditya Jain, who scored 99.2%. He's the commerce topper in CBSE. Aditya, first of all, heartiest congratulations for achieving this feat. You've done amazing work, 99.2% in commerce. First of all, the most typical question, how does it feel?
It feels great. You cannot explain this feeling. It's something different.
Even 10th also.
Okay. Aditya, I want to know, I mean, you know, every time, like I remember my time, whenever results were about to come, we were all very nervous, very jittery. And, you know, especially in this time when a lot of fluctuations happened with the CBSE and the court, what were you thinking? Like, were you nervous before the results, or were you expecting, you know, that you will be eventually doing really well in examinations? What were your expectations? Did you expect to top CBSE?
Of course not. I didn't expect to top. Of course, my board exams went great and I was expecting a great result. But topping the exam is something that you don't have in your hand.
Right.
This is all about luck. And I think luck, my hard work and my luck was with me. So I eventually became the topper.
Okay. Aditya, you know, for all those students who will be appearing for their board exams, and, you know, it's a question that everybody wants to know, what is your success mantra? I mean, how did you plan your studies? Because, you know, it cannot be just studying 24/7. You have to plan your breaks, you have to plan your routine in a way that you do justice to your free time and your studies. So how did you schedule your studies?
According to me, quantity was not that mattered. The quality time you spend in studying was the time that was the thing that actually mattered. Dedication and commitment towards study from the very beginning. That is from class 11th. You have to study hard from class 11th and not just the last 2 to 3 months. If anybody, if you, like you just said, that if I want to suggest anybody to how to go through the examinations, it's just that you have to be really committed towards the towards your goal and do hard work according to it. You have to plan your timetable accordingly and give equal weightage to each and every subject.
All right, Aditya, please stay on with us. I'm also joined by Bhumi Sawant, who's the science topper in CBSE. She scored 99.4% and she's from DAV School, Chandigarh. She'll be joining us in some time, and before we go to her, I want to ask you one more question. So other than studies, what are your passions? So, you know, because a lot of people are in this myth that, you know, toppers are always studying and they don't give time to, you know, other passions or other hobbies. Is it true?
You on to me?
Yeah, Aditya, my question was to you. I'm just asking that, usually it's a myth that, toppers are always studying, they don't, indulge in their hobbies, or they do not have passion. So do you have a hobby, or do you think that, it's very important to, other than studying, you should also have a hobby so as to keep you motivated?
I believe in just one thing, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
Right.
So basically, my hobby was playing football.
Okay.
And without playing football, my day was not complete. So along with studies, playing was had an equal weightage for me.
All right, that's a great message. Thank you so much, Aditya Jain. So that was Aditya Jain, commerce topper, CBSE 99.2%. And amid all these toppers, I feel so out of place. But congratulations to all the toppers. And we will come back to this story. Thank you so much, Parveena, for all the updates. And thank you so much, Aditya, for speaking to India Today.